Hello, my name is Jeff from HCPLC, and today I want to show you how to design a 3D Easter egg using Tinkercad.com. Now, Tinkercad.com is a free website that you can join, and it's great for beginners to 3D modeling. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to introduce you to is our work plane. I'm not going to move around the work plane too much, but I want to show you how it's done just in case. If you move to this cube shape up at the top left corner, and I'm using a PC and a mouse, so it might be a little bit different on your tablet or device. But with the mouse, if I click and then hold and drag around, I can move this work plane however I like. And if I get to a point where I'm lost, say I'm right here, and I want to get back to my home view, the home view button is right here underneath our cube. And that'll take us to about where we were. So I do want to move down slightly just to get a better view of our egg and what we're working with. There we go, just about right there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is grab an egg shape. Your shape menu may be collapsed when you first sign into Tinkercad.com. To bring up your shape menu, you just want to click on this little arrow at the right side of your screen. And the default menu is going to be this basic shape menu here. It's going to have boxes and cylinders, spheres, things like that. So for Easter egg, what we're going to do is go to the characters menu. And our egg is going to be near the bottom of our character menu. So I'm just going to click this egg shape, and then I'm going to place it right onto our work plane, just like that. And of course, you want to color your Easter egg. So how we do that is we're going to select our egg again, and then go up to this menu here where it says solid. They have a bunch of different colors here available. I think pastel colors is pretty appropriate for our Easter eggs, and they're located right here at the top. So you can change the colors around. You can do a purple color, you can do a pink, you can do a light blue like I have in the background. So for now, I think I'm just going to go with this light purple color for our egg. Excellent. So now that I have that all colored in, I am going to move our egg to the back just for a little bit. I'm going to do that using the arrow keys on my keyboard, and just kind of place the egg out of our way just for now. And we're going to grab another shape in our characters menu, and it's called chicken foot. I'm going to select two of these and place them onto our work plane. Now what I want to do is I want to get these chicken feet closer together so that they better center underneath our Easter egg. I can't really do that how they are right now, because what's going to happen if I move this chicken foot over, it's just going to overlap into the other shape, and we don't really want that. So what I want to do is kind of angle both of these feet outwards, and we're going to do that using our rotation tool. So we bring up our rotation tool by selecting on our shape. I'm going to select one of these chicken feet here, and you're going to see these two tiny rounded arrow shapes, one at the bottom and then one at the top. So I'm going to grab the one at the bottom, and again I'm using a mouse, so I'm just going to click and hold, and then I'm going to drag that shape out to where I want it. Just about there will be fine. And then I'm going to do the same thing to our second chicken foot shape. Just holding and dragging out. Excellent. So now that these are pointed outwards, I can move them a little bit closer together. And now, see, I want to get both of these shapes to move together. So in order to do that, I'm going to use our group tool. To use our group tool, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one chicken foot shape, then hit the Shift key on my keyboard, and select the second chicken foot shape, and then go up. It's over our previous color menu. There's a group tool right here. And I'm going to select that, so that now I can move both of these chicken feet together, just like that. All right, So the next thing I want to do, I wanted to center our chicken egg, or Easter egg, I should say, over our chicken feet. So I'm going to do that by selecting our chicken feet shape and then Shift key on our keyboard and select the Easter egg shape. And then I'm going to go up to our Align tool here, which is near the Group tool. When I select that tool, these little black dots are going to pop up. I'm only going to use 2 of them for now. I'm going to select this one in the front and center, and then this one on the side. Excellent. Looks a little funny right now, but we'll adjust it. So what I want to do is I want to show a little bit more of the chicken foot leg. So I'm going to have to lift the Easter egg up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is select the Easter egg shape, and then you're going to see this tiny little triangle right above our egg. Again, I'm using a mouse, so I'm going to click, hold, and drag the Easter egg up, just like that. All right, and there you have it. That's our Easter egg. If you want to take a look, you can move around the work plane to make sure it looks similar to the one that I have in the back there. Looks pretty good. All right. And you can play around with this. You can add on to it using other shapes in our character menu. Let's see. You can add like a little beanie hat here. You can lift him up a little bit. Then use your arrow keys to place it on top of your Easter egg, just like that. Kind of like a Mr. Potato Head type of situation. There you go, just like that. Maybe you can give them a little ice cream cone as well, something like this. There you go. So plenty of different options to have fun with this little project. So thank you so much. Play around with it, practice around with it a lot. Tinkercad has a lot of projects available. There's a lot of different things that you can do with it, so it's a lot of fun. But it does take a lot of practice, and I hope this is a good beginner class for you to kind of get used to it. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.